Namaste. Chakra can help you to increase your energy level, keep you very energetic always. So this is all I was talking last time. Chakra is nothing but a junction in our body where three nadis, three energy channel joins. So in our body we have total 72,000 nadis, energy channels. So if we have 72,000 energy channel which is moving around from our feet to head, so they will be joining together many places. So wherever they join, they create chakra. So there are many chakra in our body, but we are considering 7 major chakra which is there on our spine, on the backbone. So when the energy channels, they move like this, like snake. So when they are moving like this, they join together. Wherever they are joining, they create the energy channels. These energy channels, they create the chakra, and these chakra take care of everything in our life, whatever is happening in our life. So in our spine, we have 7 chakra, and each chakra is controlling some body parts. Each chakra energy controls some body parts. So whatever activity we are doing, that is being controlled by this chakra only. Whether we are able to move properly or not, that is also controlled by the chakra only. How? Like in our house, we have main switch, electricity is coming from outside to the main switch, and from main switch to inside the house. So whatever instrument we have in house is depending on the electricity which is coming to our house. And this electricity which is coming in our house depends on the main switch. If main switch is good, electricity will come and the instrument will function. If main switch become weak, main switch gets some default, then electricity will not come in our house and will not function properly. Same way our body function. Our body function depends on the energy which we receive from the nature. We call it cosmic energy. So when this energy is coming to the chakra, and the chakra is distributing that energy to different part of the body. So if chakra is strong, energetic, chakra is functioning properly, each and every part of our body will function properly. For example, our first chakra which is there at the base of the spine, this chakra controls complete bone in our body, complete skeleton system, all bone and joint controlled by Mooladhara chakra, the chakra at the base of the spine. Then after that there is second chakra. Second chakra is between the navel and base of the spine. So we say some 4 finger below the navel chakra. Third chakra is navel chakra. So 4 finger below of third chakra is the second chakra. So it's like 4 finger. Here is the third chakra. Make a straight line. It will come here. Okay. So 4 finger below the third chakra. Second chakra. Second chakra control reproductive organs. You must have seen there are some people, they get married but don't get child. They go for test according to medical science, perfectly okay, they are perfectly okay, everything good, but still they are not getting a child. Why that happened? Because the second chakra function is disturbed. So when the second chakra function is corrected, possibility is there that they can get a child. That's what my Guruji used to tell. Second chakra, if good, you can see the child, healthy child in your house, or not possible. Now third chakra exactly at the navel. This chakra control our digestive system. All the organs which is coming for digestion, liver, pancreas, spleen, everything. All this digestive organ is controlled by Manipur chakra, navel chakra. So any problem in the organs which is coming for digestion, that indicate this chakra function is not proper. There is something wrong with this chakra. We need to correct. We need to energize this chakra to be healthy. Then fourth chakra at the center of the chest, Anahat chakra we call it. So fourth chakra controls heart and lungs. Heart problem or lungs problem. Both are controlled by Anahat chakra, center of the chest. Then fifth chakra, exactly here. Fourth chakra is here, center of the chest. Fifth chakra is coming here, at the throat. So this chakra, if you look at here, two bones are there. Collarbone we call it. And at the center here, there is one gap. Okay. So this place where the throat chakra is there, this chakra control thyroid and parathyroid gland. Two glands are here. Both is controlled by thyroid and parathyroid gland, controlled by this chakra. So this chakra become more important for us because this is controlling complete metabolic activity. Complete metabolism is controlled by this chakra. Then one chakra is here, the point between both eyebrow. Sixth chakra which is there, point between both eyebrow. This chakra controls your pituitary and pineal gland. Two glands in there in the brain area, pituitary and pineal. Both glands is controlled by this chakra, and mind also controlled by this chakra. Okay, our planning, our success and failure, our thinking, all comes from this chakra. This chakra is called master chakra. They call it Agyan chakra because this the master chakra which control other chakra also, which has got little control on other chakra also. Then top of the head, Sahasrara chakra, the crown chakra. This chakra receive the cosmic energy and distribute everywhere. So this chakra is good, open properly, they can receive the cosmic energy in a better way if there is nothing on them. So, and this cosmic energy which is coming on this chakra goes to the whole body, everywhere, through all other chakra. So this controls everything in our physical body. Thank you.